Okay, so we have a projects table, a task table. We need to make sure that the tasks are only linked to one project at a time. Otherwise, the sequencing will not work very well. So we have projects, and projects are linked to tasks. Each project has multiple tasks. If you use the ID field, you'd get a sequence that looks like this column, which is not what we want. We want something that looks like this. A sequence starting with one for every project, let's say. So we will start by creating a formula field with record ID. We'll call it task ID. Create. Now we'll go over here in projects and we will do a roll up. We will look up this task ID and we'll make sure it's not array unique, it's array join, so that it converts into a string instead of an array. Now we'll go back here. We will look that back up. So we'll look that back up here. Actually, let's use a roll up here as well. Roll up, task ID, array join. So now we know that this task, build a rocket engine, is linked to a project which has three other tasks linked to it. Now we want to identify where does this task fall in this string. So the method I'm guessing is quite evident now. We will do find. We will find the task ID within the task ID rollup. Done. Now we know its position. Let's say auto sequence. So we'll do a plus 17 and I'll show you just in a bit. So if I do a plus 17, now we can see that this is a multiple of 18. Now all we need to do is put it in bracket, divide by 18, and off we go. Our auto sequence starts with 1, and if I add a new item, it assigns a value of 2 automatically. I can also rearrange tasks. So for example, let's switch to parent task by clicking on this. Now let's say if this is not a sequence I want this to be the first item instead of the third. Now you can see that the auto sequence, it moves things around. So if since I moved it up, let me sort it by this one, sort 1 to 9. Okay. So build a rocket engine, secure full production became third, build rocket engine became second, system integration became first. Let's make this number 1. This auto sequence automatically updates. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you.